All right, we're going to start on page 271, and we're going to start with number one, the model it. So it says Elias reads 15 pages of a book in Braille each day. The graph of P equals 15D shows how many pages P Elias reads in D days. So here's our graph. We have days on the x-axis and we have pages on the y-axis. And Elias is starting at 0, 0, which means on day 0 he's read 0 pages. And then every day he reads 15 pages. So this would be the point 115 right here. And then this would be 2 days he's read 30 pages, right? Which makes sense. If you're reading 15 pages a day, in 2 days you read 30 pages. Part A. Before Elias starts reading, Jamie has already read 20 pages in the same book in Braille. Jamie then reads 10 pages each day. The equation P equals 10D plus 20 tells how many pages P Jamie has read since Elias started reading. Graph Jamie's equation in the same coordinate plane as Elias's graph, and what point is on both lines. So Jamie's equation is this: P equals 10D plus 20. Now hopefully that will look familiar because this is written in slope-intercept form. Another way to write this would be y equals 10x plus 20. So you need to graph this equation on the same graph. So where did Jamie start? Jamie started at 20 pages. So Jamie has a point right here. And then Jamie's slope is 10, which is 10 over 1, which means I'm going to rise 10 and I'm going to run 1. So I'm going to start at 20 and I'm going to go up 10. So here's 30, I went up 10, and I'm going to go right 1. So my second point's going to be right here, and I might want to put a few more points on my graph just to make sure. Okay, now that I've got a couple of points, I need to draw my line. So get out my handy dandy ruler. This is going to take me a second, folks, so bear with me. Need to get this to line up on all 3 points. And then I'm going to draw a line through all of my points. Oops, change to the pen. Try this one more time. Come on, pen, work for me. This is not working. Let's try this one more time. There we go. Now we got it. All right, go away ruler. So here's my line for Jamie. So I'm going to label this Jamie. And the question is, what point is on both lines? Well, it looks like this point is on both lines, and that is the point 460. So that would be my answer to part A, 4, 60. Letter B, on what day have both Elias and Jamie read the same number of pages, and how many pages have they read that day? Well, if my X is days, that means 4 days, and my Y value is 60, that means 60 pages. That means on day 4, they will have both read 60